Today I'm going to show you how to format an academic paper in MLA style. If your professor tells you to do something different than these rules, follow what your professor says first. Before you start writing, set your font to a legible, clean font, like Times New Roman, in 12-point size. Next, make sure to double space your paper. In the top left corner of your paper, you should write your name, your professor's name, the course, and the date, in day, month, year format, as shown on screen. Double-click near the top of your page to add a header. Make sure to set your header to the same font and font size as the rest of your paper. Type your last name and then click on Page Numbers to add a page number to your header. The default settings will add your header with the page numbers to every page in your essay, but if your professor wants you to omit the header from the first page, simply check the Different First Page box. The title of your essay should be centered on the first line after the date. Capitalize each word other than short ones like prepositions and avoid underlining or bolding. Ensure your cursor is left aligned on the first line after your title, then click the Tab button on your keyboard to indent the first sentence of your essay. You can then write your essay using Tab to indent each paragraph, without any extra spaces between paragraphs other than the double spacing we already added. If you're having difficulty with how to write an essay, check out my other video that I linked in the description. Once you're finished with your paper, ensure your cursor is left aligned on the first line after the end of your essay, then click Insert, Break, Section Break. This will put your cursor on the next fresh page, where you can center align your text and type Works Cited. This is where you'll put your MLA citations that you use for your essay. If you are having trouble on what info to include in a citation, check the link in the description of this video for more help. Once you have listed all your citations, click Format, Align and Indent, then Indentation Options. Add a hanging indent under the Special Indent drop-down menu, and set it to 0.5. If your professor wants you to omit your header from the Works Cited page, you can do so by double-clicking your header and unchecking the Link to Previous box. This is only possible if you added your works cited using the section break as described earlier in this video. Thank you very much for watching, and congratulations on perfectly formatting your academic paper in MLA style.